It's a look back at the year that was.
We chose to do a cutout so you can open it and see into the end sheet, which is all these incredible photos that our photographers got from some of the most exciting events of last year.
The Palladium is Troy University's yearbook, and the staff that publishes the piece is currently distributing the 2019 to 2020 book.
We're really excited. We have extras, so we're selling extras, and then people who've already purchased can come and pick up their book.
The yearbook staff was out on the John Lewis Quad this week and will be in the Trojan Center next week handing out copies. Stephen Spivey, the book's editor-in-chief, says it takes time and hard work to recap 365 days in a collection of pages.
We've already started on this next year's. We started about a month ago coming up with our theme and cover ideas that can really drive the book, and so throughout the year we'll collect photos and interviews and start working on designs to kind of capture the whole essence of the school year and everything that goes on in the year.
And while you can't put a price tag on your memories, the Palladium goes for $5 a book.
We don't do a lot of things on paper anymore, but they're a great way to really have a concrete thing to look back on from. It has everything, all the organizations, if you get your picture taken, all the sporting events, how our teams do that year. And so it's a way where you can quickly and easily look back and just kind of relive those experiences that people treasure.
Brady Talbert, Troy, TrojanVision News.